Flashback.
You will be seeing this on Thursday, and I am taking it on Thursday to Chris AFI. So please do wish me luck. That's a good one.
Crap. 3 days later.
What do you reckon, power-wise, if everything goes smooth?
What's the compression ratio?
9 something.
418. Then again, you dry some.
It's got to be more than that. Basically, it's the low temperature limit.
So where's that?
It's it would be either engine configuration or something like that. There's a fuel pressure warning, even though we have the pressure and it's all showing up. It's just giving us the warning. So Chris is trying to figure out if there is anything preset, like the limit for the warning, or why there is a warning. It shouldn't be, because checking for fluids.
Yeah. 5 minutes later.
Even after we'd left it there for 5 minutes, it still slipped. So I think it's probably got oil on it, or something has collapsed or moved.
100% there is no, unless there is more oil coming through the gearbox.
But there's nothing on the floor, so I don't think...
Yeah, there's definitely nothing on the clutch when I cleaned it, because I've used a whole can of brake fluid.
So it's a hydraulic system. Are you using the original release bearing, or is it an aftermarket release bearing?
Where, inside?
Yeah.
I bought it from the Dark Side Developments or whatever, so it's the original one, but the pipe is metal, because the original one is plastic.
Right, press the clutch there, Carl.
Okay.
Oh no, okay, nothing doing. Oh, is that it now? I think
Still on.
right, and off. Oh yeah, okay, it's moving, isn't it?
Slow
That's all. Right, just stand on it and then off quick. Yeah, it's okay. It's shifting all right.
I was going to say,
The cylinder's working then, isn't
it
it?
feels nice actually, because it's
Yeah.
quite sort of progressive or long.
Right, that's the clutch. So there's a clutch cover blue, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the clutch cover.
It's Extreme V, whatever.
Yeah, there you go. So it was pressing it's right on the fingers. The fingers are out.
Yeah, I was going to say it's right, isn't it? How it is there.
I don't see light of oil or anything anywhere. It looks pretty dry. No oil in there, is there?
No.
It'd all be flung all the way around.
Yeah. Because like 1 or 2 drops would not do that, so it would need to be covered like it was last time.
So I mean, I've had clutches hooked before, and it's not cost a lot of money. It's really cheap. Unfortunately, it's in there.
Yeah,
Nothing quick about it, is there?
I think CC charged about 90 quid.
Yeah.
And that's with postage and that, and that's obviously, so.
Yeah.
At the beginning, it was gripping and everything, But the theory is that because it was somewhat contaminated anyways, at some point, once the heat got to it, it basically sipped all this oil through the puddles back into it and just made them sleepy. So at the beginning, after I cleaned it, it was all fine. It was all grippy and stuff, but as soon as it got to temperature, it's just, started doing it. And we've looked inside with a boroscope, and it's dry inside, so it's not the same problem as it was before. So that all seems to be fine, and the gearbox is fine. It's all changing gears and all that. It's just sleeping like mad. So basically, it has a basic map now, which is around 200 horse at 5 psi. Yes, we achieved everything we wanted. 500 horsepower, so much newton meters, and it rips. No, it doesn't. Well, what can I say? Well, you probably have seen everything. Entirely my fault. I'm raising my hand up. I can't even blame all those people who said, yeah, it'll be all right. Just clean the clutch. It should be fine. Even though it was a little bit covered in oil. I thought it was really going to be fine. So, yeah, the clutch is slipping. So we kind of have a low boost, 5 psi, 200 horsepower map on it. Can't go any higher because the clutch is slipping. So now, again, engine out job. Send it away, maybe change the pads themselves. So third time is not lucky. But on the plus side, it did not explode, and it kind of still, it all runs sweet. It just doesn't drive. But I guess somebody's looking over me. So we're not going to Nürburgring, and I don't know when this video is going to be released. Chances are not tomorrow, day after, because it's not really content worthy. I might just include it somewhere else, but I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.